Afternoon. So today we're gonna go over some news you can use. So what I'm gonna show you guys is how to properly use your Thinkorswim platform for trading. Um, so a lot of times, a lot of people, you get like, at least it was for me, when you first get into the platform, like, what am I looking at? Like, it's confusing, right? Like, I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know how to set it up. So obviously, if you have a TD Ameritrade account, um, you'd have to, apply for options trading, right off the rip. You get stocks. You could buy shares. Then you have to apply to be able to buy options. So once you do that, then you could trade options. Now, this right here, you would download it on their website, right? And so what we do here. Okay, so this is how your menu would look right off the rip, right? So this is paper trading. I put the paper trading, they give you some money. So, okay, so first we're gonna go over this side right here, right? So let's start from scratch. Start from scratch. That way you guys and gals will be able to set this up on your own. Okay. Watch list, delete that gadget. Okay, now, so this will have some stuff. So here you're gonna go. What I like to do is I like to add level 2, and let's say in this instance we're gonna be watching the SPY. Okay, boom. So the SPY level 2. Next thing we're gonna put time in sales. I like to see this time in sales SPY. Okay. What other one we're gonna look at? Let's say we're gonna look at Amazon, say. So Amazon. Boom. Right, plus sign again, and then time in sales. Right, Amazon. Boom. Right. Now trade. So now say I'm looking at Amazon. Let's say I'm looking at Amazon. Right here, this is your options menu. Amazon. Boom. So it's gonna show you everything, right? So it's the options chain. So when you open here February 11th, boom, strikes. Here you're gonna change it to whatever you want. I put 50. Normally right off the beginning it comes with 10. So you could go to 14. I want to see 50 of them, right? I want to see all these prices that I might be interested in. So the next thing is, if you just tap it regular, then this will come up, right? And I don't really like using this. So what I do, so let's go over here first. Let's go to charts, and you're gonna get this right here, right? Normally this will probably look like this, right, when you start off, right? And this is gonna say it's gonna look like this, right? It's gonna be your chart. So let's say we're looking at the SPY, for instance, or Amazon, right? Boom, you type in Amazon. So this it's probably gonna look like this. Is gonna look blank. So what we're gonna do is, these windows are basically symbolic for, like, how do you want it, right? That's what they stand for. Do you want 4 windows? Do you want 6 windows? If you have a big screen TV, obviously you could go with eight screens. Do you want them up? You want them like this? How do you want them, right? So in this situation, we're gonna go with 4 windows. Okay, and on this side, I might have the 1-minute chart. Right, there's the 1 minute. Okay, and then on this side, I want to see Amazon. Right, on the 15-minute chart. On the 5-minute, let's go with the 5-minute. On the 5-minute chart, right? And so the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, and we go to equities, and I don't want to see pre-market, right? So apply. So that's show extended hours trading. I don't want to see pre-market, right? So apply. Boom. So now I don't see no pre-market. It's all these are actual market hours, right? So that was from settings. So now right here, you see on the side window right here, these are window sale options, right? So here we're looking at chart. Boom. Here we're looking at chart. Boom. Right? So I want to do this here too. I don't want to see pre-market. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to go to equities. Then I'm going to go to show extended hours. Boom. Apply. Okay. Right? And then and then it's going to show like this. Okay, so the next thing is, so right here, say I want to look at Amazon contracts. Amazon. Okay, so now instead of chart, right, I'm going to put active trader. Take off chart, and now here it is, right? Active trader, and now I could buy straight from here. I don't have to buy from the options chain no more. So over here, I want to look at Amazon as well, right? And then I want to look at level 2, right? I took off chart, and then I want to put time and sales. So now I get to see what's going on right here with the sales that are happening, and then the bids that are happening, and they're accepting bids, and the bids and the sellers, what they're asking, what they're bidding, right? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna put this, link it to red. We're gonna link this to red, right? So these two are now linked. This is separate, different. So I'm gonna go to here, trade, right? And say I'm looking at the 3160 calls right here. Okay, I'm gonna right click, and it's gonna bring me this window right here. So I'm gonna send it. You see that little chain link? It's telling you where do you want to send it to. So I want to send it to the red one that I put before. Boom, red. So now when I go to charts, it's here, see? So now calls 3160, boom. And now this is all linked. So now when I'm ready to buy that contract, see the contracts are going for $50.80, $5,000.80, you know. So now I want to change these settings. So flatten, I'm not using that. So I'm going to remove that. Reverse, I'm not using that. I'm going to remove that. But I do want to have options with my quantity. So I'm going to move that up above cancel. And then I also want to make it automatic. I'm going to move auto send up. And I'll move that above quantity buttons, right? Okay. And now it's going to look like this. A lot more easier. I could check this off, and now I could buy immediately. Boom, it's going to buy immediately. I don't have to, right? And you can put your number right here of what you want. You want 11, 12, 13, whatever, right? And now you're ready to trade. So now the market starts off. Once the market's on, boom, you'll be able to buy, right? So I'm gonna make another video. This is just a basic video right here to show you how to properly set up your trade station. Easy way that I do it. I've learned it from other people, and this I like this setup for myself. And that's it. Hopefully this helps you, and I'll make another video, and you can leave comments below if you want me to show you different things. Okay, thanks. News you can use.